Dear viewers, most important GK bits for all competitive exams. Number 1, UN General Assembly elects a president and how many vice presidents at the start of its each regular session? A 7, B 15, C 21, D 2. Answer is C 21. The unit of current is A. Ohm, B. Watt, C. Ampere, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Ampere. The Thomas Cup is associated with A. Badminton, B. Billiards, C. Lawn tennis, D. Table tennis. Answer is A. Badminton. To whom country does the present UN Secretary General belongs? A. Ghana, B. Portuguese, C. Spain, D. Sweden. B. Portuguese. Vitamin B12 is most useful for combating A. Anemia, B. Goitre, C. Night blindness, D. Rickets. Answer is A. Anemia. To prevent loss of weight, plants reduce the transpiration by shedding of leaves, B. Reducing the size of leaves, C. Developing hair around the stomata, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. The term which denotes that each side has made equal point at a game point in tennis is referred to as baseline, juice, fault, grand slam. Answer is B. Juice. The telescope is used for viewing A. Distant objects, B. Near objects, C. Small objects, D. Living cells. Answer is A. Distant objects. The transport fleet of Air Force consists of A. IL-765, B. Boeing 731, C. AN-352, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. The term butterfly is associated with A. Kabaddi, B. Swimming, C. Boxing, D. Wrestling. Answer is B. Swimming. Uttar Pradesh is surrounded by dash in north. A. Nepal, B. Uttarakhand, C. Haryana and Delhi, D. Rajasthan. Answer is B. Uttarakhand. The velocity of sound in air under normal condition is A. 30 meters per second, B. 320 meters per second, C. 343 meters per second, D. 3320 meters per second. Answer is C. 343 meters per second. The term used to describe a sudden fall of a government brought about by illegal force is called A. Credit squeeze, B. Lock data, C. Deficit financing, D. Deflation. Answer is B. Lock detart. The term steeplechase is associated with which of the following sports? A. Boxing, B. Chess, C. Rowing, D. Horse racing. Answer is D. Horse racing. The total number of judges of the International Court of Justice is A. 10, B. 12, C. 15, D. 18. Answer is C. 15. The velocity of light was first measured by A. Einstein, B. Newton, C. Romer, D. Galileo. Answer is C. Romer. The trophies and cups awarded for cricket are A. McDonald's, Challenge Cup and World Cup. B. Federation Cup. C. Moinid Daula Cup and BC Gupta Cup. D. None of the above. Answer is A. McDowell's Challenge Cup and World Cup. The third highest national award given for distinguished service in any field is A. Padma Vibhushan, B. Padma Bhushan, C. Padma Shri, D. Bharat Ratna. B. Padma Bhushan. Veer Chakra, a medal is made up of A. Bronze, B. Gold gilt, C. Standard silver, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Standard silver. Triple antigen provides immunity to children against all of the following diseases except A. Diphtheria, B. Polio, C. Tetanus, D. Whooping cough. B. Polio. Transworld Airlines is an international airline of A. United Kingdom, B. United States of America, C. Russia, D. Scandinavia. Answer is B. United States of America. The third crusade was led by A. Richard I of England, B. Frederick Barbarossa of Germany, C. Philip II of France, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Walt Disney was A. the President of America during World War II, B. the creator of cartoon films starring popular cartoon characters Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck, C. the British physician known for his discovery of the Addison's disease, D. None of the above. Answer is B. the creator of cartoon films starring popular cartoon characters Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. To consider the large number of agenda items, General Assembly has how many main committees? A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 15. Answer is B. 7. Weight of an object put in a satellite orbiting in space around the Earth is A. the same as on the Earth, B. slightly more than that on the Earth, C. less than that on the Earth, D. reduced to 0. Answer is D. reduced to 0. To which country did the first Secretary General of the United Nations belong? A. Austria, B. Sweden, C. Burma, D. Norway. Answer is D. Norway. War of the Roses was A. civil war in England, B. religious political war between the Lutherans, Catholics in Germany, C. war between Syrian and Roman forces, D. none of the above. Answer is A. civil war in England. The three abundant elements in the Earth's crust are aluminum, oxygen and silicon. The correct order of their abundance is A. oxygen, aluminum, silicon, B. aluminum, silicon, oxygen, C. oxygen, silicon, aluminum, D. silicon, oxygen, aluminum. Answer is C. oxygen, silicon, aluminum. The world's largest international organization and a successor to the League of the Nations is UNESCO, UNESCO, A. B. UNO, C. UNICEF, D. none of the above. Answer is B. UNO. Tomb of Vasco da Gama is situated at A. Chittorgarh, Rajasthan, B. Kochi, Kerala, C. Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, D. Durgapur, West Bengal. Answer is B. Kochi, Kerala. UNO Day is on 20th July, B. 24th October, C. 14th November, D. 12th February. Answer is B. 24th October. Which of the following country Olympic Airways belongs? A. France. B. Greece. C. Hong Kong. D. Indonesia. Answer is B. Greece. Velocity of the wind is measured by A. Speedometer. B. Tachometer. C. Anemometer. D. Audiometer. Answer is C. Anemometer. The term used to describe money that flows into a country to take advantage of high rates of interest is called A. Hot money. B. Hot sector. C. Hot currency. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Hot money. Todarmal was A. Revenue Minister in the court of Akbar. B. One of the 9 gems in the court of Akbar. C. Known for his reforms in policies of land revenue during Akbar's reign. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. The unit of energy in MK system is A. Volt. B. Erg. C. Ohm. D. Joule. Answer is D. Joule. Tiruchirappalli is situated on river A. Kaveri. B. Tapati. C. Krishna. D. Ganga. Answer is A. Kaveri. The term which refers to the total amount of sales made by a firm in 1 year or the total amount of money changing hands in business is A. Trade gap. B. Turnover. C. Reserves. D. Referendum. Answer is B. Turnover. Treaty of Versailles rearranged the boundaries of several countries in Europe, and many countries were formed such as A. Poland and Yugoslavia. B. Lithuania and Estonia. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Both A and B. The tribe residing in Meghalaya is A. Garos. B. Khas. C. Kol. D. Murias. Answer is A. Garos. The Union Charter was finalized at dash and become effective on dash. A. San Francisco, 24th October 1945. B. Dumbarton Oaks, 5th March 1944. C. Yalta, 2nd February 1945. D. Tehran, 24th October 1943. Answer is A. San Francisco, 24th October 1945. The total number of members of UN Secretary Council is dash. A. 5, B. 10, C. 15, D. 20. Answer is C. 15. Unofficial and usually illegal system of providing people with more than their share of goods and services where their prices are controlled is called A. Black money. B. Blue chip. C. Black market. D. Black economy. C. Black market. The term ground stroke is associated with which of the following games? A. Cricket. B. Badminton. C. Tennis. D. Draughts. Answer is B. Badminton. Answer is C. Tennis. The type of root system of all of the following is tap root system except that of A. Mango tree. B. Kachnar tree. C. Sunflower plant. D. Maize plant. Answer is D. Maize plant. To which of the following countries does the news agency Katriko belongs? Czechoslovakia. A. B. Indonesia. C. France. D. USA. Answer is A. Czechoslovakia. To produce sound, it is necessary that A. the source should execute longitude vibrations. B. the source should execute transfer vibrations. C. the source may execute any type of vibrations. D. The vibration source are not necessary. Answer is C. The source may execute any type of vibrations. The UN library is known by the name of A. Nations Library, B. U Thant Library, C. Hammarskjöld Library, D. Trigave Library. Answer is C. Hammarskjöld Library. The theory of inherence of acquired character was proposed by A. Charles Darwin, B. George Mendel, C. J.B. Lamarck, D. Weizmann. Answer is C. J.B. Lamarck. Water is a good solvent of ionic salts because A. It has a high boiling point, B. It has a high dipole moment, C. It has a high specific heat, D. It has a no color. Answer is B. It has a high dipole moment. Thank you. All subscribers, share my videos to your friends. Subscribe all. Thank you very much.